Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring IIS and the ASB. NET components are installed. This enables request handling and runtime. Next, publish your ASB. NET MVC project to a local folder in release so all assemblies and views are ready. Then create an application pool and set the NET CLR version and integrated pipeline to match your app. This isolates processes and permissions. Once done, assign a meaningful identity and recycle settings so the pool runs reliably when you create the site in the next step. You now create the website in IIS Manager and bind hostname, IP, and port so requests route correctly. Point the site to the published folder and select the application pool you prepared. This ensures the correct runtime and isolation. Make sure the physical path credentials let the app pool identity access files and adjust NTFS permissions to grant read/execute and write where needed. Once configured, enable directory browsing only if necessary and verify default documents, and MIME types match your app assets. You finish by testing the site in a browser using the bound host and port. If using a custom hostname, update the hosts file. If something fails, enable detailed error messages and failed request tracing in IIS so you can see where requests break. Make sure to recycle the app pool after config changes and confirm web. Config settings like compilation and authentication. If you see 500 errors, check the app pool identity permissions, installed Windows features, and missing assemblies as the top likely causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.